Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to set up Klaviyo in Shopify. Let's get started. First go to shopify.com, then click on Login right here. Enter in your email in this field, or you can just use your Apple ID, Facebook, or Google to log in. This action will redirect you to your Shopify dashboard. In here, click on Settings down here. Then click on Apps and Sales Channels right here. Then click on the Shopify App Store up here. This will open a new tab. And if Klaviyo is already visible for you here on the popular section like this one, just click on it. If not, click on the search bar up here and type in Klaviyo. Then click on the app. After that, click on Install right here. Then in this new tab, click on Install again. Next, in this new tab, set up your Klaviyo account by typing in your email, password, your company name and website, your phone number, and then check this first box and then answer the CAPTCHA below. Then just click on Get Started down here. And that is how you can set up Klaviyo in Shopify. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.